Hey guys, till now you might have tried French fries, long fries, and so on. I'm sure you might have never tried these Madras style fries. It tastes so good. You can serve these as a side dish for rasam rice, sambar rice, even with any pachadis. Here you can see my child is keep on asking and loving its taste. If you are making and your kids are loving it, then as a mother, what else you want? Tell me. So without any delay, we'll start the process. For this, you have to peel up the skin of the potatoes and cut into the thin pieces as shown in the video. Soak them in water for 1 hour. Now drain out all the water, add ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste, some turmeric. Here comes the secret ingredient, which is sambar powder. You can use any company sambar powder. Now add pinch of asafoetida, and here I am adding rice flour, 1 tablespoon of hot oil. Mix everything with your hand so that all the pieces are coated with masalas. Now heat the oil and fry them on medium flame until it becomes golden brown and crispy. If you like the video, don't forget to click on like button. Thank you. Thanks for watching.